Hi friends, today we discuss the another topic in the law of the sea, that is the right of hard pursuit. So right of hard pursuit means in other words it is a immediate pursuit or the fresh pursuit. So the right of hard pursuit is derived from the a famous maxim that is called distress damage pheasant. That maxim meaning is, if in a property certain animals have been trespassed, the owner of the property has a right to arrest such animals. So basing upon this theory, the right of hard pursuit also coming to picture into the sea waters. So the meaning of the hard pursuit is, as per the Duhame's Law Dictionary, the right of state to chase and arrest a vessel which has committed an offence within its waters. So the coastal state has certain rights with regard to territorial waters as well as the contiguous waters and the exclusive economic zone. So in these areas, no other vessel is allowed to enter, and such vessel should not exploit the resources which are there in that area, because this area is considered as the exclusive area of the coastal state. As you know that territorial waters extend to 12 nautical miles from the baseline. From there onwards, another 12 nautical miles is considered as the contiguous zone, and from baseline to the 200 nautical miles is called as exclusive economic zone. So these are exclusive property of the coastal states. So if any foreign vessel enters without any authority of the coastal state, then the foreign state has the right to stop, right to arrest that foreign vessel in its water. It is called as a right of hard pursuit. While arresting or stopping such foreign vessel, the coastal state has a right to exercise reasonable force. So regarding this, the law of the Convention of 1958 has clearly demarcated the powers upon the coastal state. There is an Article 23, clause number 1, provides that the coastal states have the right of hard pursuit. Even Article 111 also providing that if the foreign vessels comes into the waters, it can be stopped by the coastal states. But the right is there up to when that foreign vessel is within the water of that area. If the foreign vessel crosses the water, or the foreign vessels enters into the another foreign sea waters or ocean waters, then whether the right is there or not, for that also the legal regime is clear. The convention of the law of the sea convention is clear. No, in such scenario, the state has no right, because it has left the shore of that state and enter into the shore of the other state. In such scenario, the state won't have to catch or punish if the ship passes from the one coastal line to the other coast. So this is the, I just told you that is a law of torts. There is a distress feasant principle, distress damage feasant principle, that is basing upon this hot pursuit, also basing upon the same principle. When the animal is there, you can catch. When the animal left from your land, your property, you have no right of catching. So the same thing is been accepted in the law of the sea. In addition to that, the this is a accepted law by, because it is even in 1958 convention as accepted and ratified the heart of pursuit, with certain limitations which I told you earlier. So thank you.